guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making crepes. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to make these crepes. Right here I have all my ingredients. I have the toppings that I'm going to be using, and then I'll cut up some strawberries in a bit once they're ready. And then my tools, my blender, because I normally use the mixer like you can use by hands, like, you know, the one that goes like this. Flour doesn't really dissolve as good as I want it to be, so then there's like lumps in the batter. Wait, let me check my crepe maker, but you can also use a saucepan, so that would be easier if you guys don't have one. Super easy to make, so you guys don't need one. I'm making crepes with the hand mixer. Oh, there's some instructions out there. The cords are so small for both of them. I have it on. Put in a little braid because you don't want no hair on your food. Protected. I have my little list right here. While my crepe maker is heating up, I just touched and it's literally heating up. I'm just gonna be blending it all in here. It's so hard to pick up. I'm gonna be telling you guys the ingredients. I have my instructions on a piece of paper. I know the ingredients, I already know what goes in there, but just wanted to not mess up. So what I did is I tripled the recipe just because I know I eat a lot of crepes, so I want some for now or later. 6 large eggs. I have 2.5 cups of milk. This is 2 cups plus the 1/4 cup of milk. And then I have 1.5 cup of water in here. I have 3 cups of flour, and I have 1.5 cup and 1 tablespoon of butter. And I have 3 teaspoons of vanilla, and then I have 7.5 tablespoons of sugar. Honestly, I highly suggest you guys get a crepe maker because I've used this since I think it's been a year or maybe 2 years that we've gotten it, and it's so good. It still heats up really good. Okay, so wait, okay, I think I do this, and then I always struggle with this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna be pouring. Okay, so in here, first I'm going to be putting, I think the dry ingredients should go in first. So I have my 3 cups of flour. Oh my god, that's so much flour. And just so you guys know, you guys should get some napkins because you know you'll be making a mess. Or at least I know I'll be making a mess. Okay? So I put my flour in here with my sugar. I know as an option you cannot put the sugar or the vanilla because what I'm making are the sweet crepes, and I like sweet crepes because it includes both vanilla and sugar, and I'll be making them with Nutella and strawberries. And just so you know, I wash my hands. So after the sugar, is this even? Until the liquid is done blending. Oh my god, my milk! I actually thought this wasn't gonna fit, that's why I poured most of it all at the same time because I was scared. I was like, is it all gonna fit? And then it's gonna be like going down, and I knew I was going to make a mess. Oh my god, I finished mixing it. I'm just going to put my blender away. I'm gonna go put that away. Actually, you need like a plate, anything. You're just gonna be on there until you make all of them. I have a little measuring cup so I can keep pouring it on here. So I'm just gonna put my butter on here. So see, it's already pretty good. I'm just going to put it a little bit low. Okay. Just because you don't want it to burn. Okay, so I just finished this crepe. I'm just going to be flipping this one over because you can tell that it's done when the batter is thicker and it's a different color, but you can tell that it starts to cook from the outside in. So I just like doing this just so I know it's all even. Honestly, I love crepes because you can have them sweet or savory. Like I know for breakfast you can have a savory one with greens or eggs and make it into a wrap, like a small wrap, yet it's still pretty good. And I love these sweet ones because that's honestly all I make for crepes is the sweet ones, not the savory. I have to try the savory for breakfast. It's 1 to 2 minutes on each side. I can honestly make up to 10 or more crepes with this. I made 2 crepes. You guys are so far away. You guys won't be able to see me. You guys are gonna be like, where is she with her binoculars? Her binocular? Your binoculars. Okay, so I think this is done. Oh, that one's so pretty. Just the first one was kind of bad because it was like my first crepe right now, and just like your pancakes, your first one is normally bad. I'm just gonna be pouring my crepe on here. I think it's better to have like a really big crepe and then you can just eat 1 or 2. I think it looks better when you just have a really big crepe instead of a small one. I know I make like really small ones if my siblings are gonna eat it, or we're just eating it as a small dessert. Okay. So I'm just gonna be making 2 more, and then you can refrigerate your batter just so you can either save it for the next day, or I heard it comes out better if you just refrigerate it and then use it the next day. Just use it right away. Just because if I want crepes, I'm gonna make the crepe batter and then eat it right away. I need to cut my strawberries, I don't have bananas, but I'll have strawberries and Nutella's crepe. I'm gonna go wash my hands again. Just have my strawberries right here. I have like a really tiny cutting board. So I'm just gonna cut them. My bowls right here so I can start putting them in there. I'll just be cutting them in slices. So excited. I have my Nutella, strawberries, my crepe. I have my confectioner's sugar right here. I'm just going to start putting my toppings on my crepes. I just bought this yesterday because we finished the Nutella so fast. I'm gonna put the Nutella. Oh my god, that looks so good. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on one side for now. And then like if you want any more Nutella, you can obviously add as much or as little as you want. And you can fold it 2 ways. You can just roll it up like a wrap, or fold it in 4. Like you fold it in half. I'll show you guys right now. So I have my Nutella on. I'm just gonna add some strawberries. Add the whole jar of Nutella. I have my thing right there. So I'm just gonna fold it in half. Then I'm gonna put like my hand right here so it doesn't fold awkward. Then I'm gonna put my crepe on the plate. So I'm gonna add my Nutella. So this is how it looks so far. It looks so good. Does it look good? So I'm just gonna put a little bit of confectioner's sugar. So if you have this is good to use. I think it's called a colander. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar just so you know. So I just finished making my plate. Still making more crepes because I still have so much batter. I was able to make a good amount of crepes. I made about 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I made about 7 crepes so far, and I still have batter left and I want to eat it. So this is how it looks. This is how they came out. Watch it drop it. Look. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Okay. Thank you guys for watching my how to make crepes video. Comment down below what I should make next because I love making and cooking, baking, anything. Bye guys.